Espinido that the PNP organization is the biggest syndicate here in our country.
I would like to ask you about paragraph 4 in relation to paragraph 12 sa affidavit mo. Sabi mo kasi, sa paragraph 4, tinawagan ka ni Chief PNP dati, Ronald De La Rosa. Doon sa paragraph 12, you personally reported to him. You personally reported to him. So, yung bang boses na narinig mo, yung boses na narinig mo nung tumawag, yung sabi mong si General De La Rosa, dating Chief PNP, pareho ba na boses nung nagkaharap na kayo?
Yes, Your Honors, Mr. Chair.
Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kayo ay hindi lang naniwala na si former Chief PNP yung tumawag sa iyo, kundi na-confirm mo na siya talaga nung nagkaharap na kayo dahil pare-pareho yung boses ng tumawag at yung boses ng taong kausap mo nung nagkita kayo.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. At saka hindi lang ganun, Your Honors, ang pag-intindi ng familiarization ng boses niya, may order na kaagad. Order.
Okay.
Yes.
Sinabi mo kanina na nung tinanong ka sa isa sa mga kasamahan namin dito sa committee kung ano yung masasabi mo sa drug on war ng dating administrasyon. Isa sa nabanggit mong terminology is practical. Practical. Sabi mo successful dahil practical. Can you describe or define what is practical to you in as far as drug war is concerned?
Yung practical naman, pag intindi ko, Your Honors, yung kausapin kaagad direct yung mga involved, tinanong kung sino ang source ng drugs nila, pinuntahan na, hindi na pinahintay na mag-file ng complaint kasi ang kagawian ng police, Your Honors, makahingi lang ng information right after kung mahuli na yung isang suspect. Pero sa time na yon, pag ikaw lang isali ka lang doon sa list, pwede na kapuntahan at saka tanungin kung saan yung drugs mo. That's how, yun ang sa palagay pag-isip ko na very practical approach, Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, yung bang sa palagay mo practical sa tingin mo ay in accordance with law?
I cannot really specifically, Your Honors, kung in accordance with law, as long as the PNP, number one, Your Honors, hindi hinuli, no? Pangalawa, yun siguro lang ang approach na papuntahin ka sa police station kasi nalista, yun siguro ang parang hindi na maganda, Your Honors, no? Binapapunta mo na walang invitation, kung ano pa man. Pero kung as tao lang tayo, Your Honors, na parang bigyan ng second chance yung mga involved, sa ganun lang ng mga paraan, Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang linawin at masigurado na uulitin ko yung tanong ko, Colonel. You appreciate, no? Parang inaano mo yung pinupuri mo yung drug war kasi successful siya, sabi mo, at practical. Gusto ko lang ulitin yung tanong ko. Yung practical ba na sinabi mo is always in accordance with law? Yung mga ginagawa doon sa practical na sinabi mo, Mr. Chair.
Hindi siguro lahat, Your Honors, no? Pero mayroon lang na mga example, Your Honor, sa akin. Kinausap ko si Mayor na para matapos na ito, isurrender nyo na lang yung drugs. Ikaw, Mayor Aldong, isurrender mo na lang yung baril. Ikaw, Ardot, isurrender mo lang yung mga tao mo na involved. So that's how I pag-intindi ko sa practical, Your Honors.
So, ulitin ko, kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, hindi lahat ng practical sa tingin mo ay in accordance with law. Mayroong iba na practical sa operasyon pero hindi sumusunod sa batas. Tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Your Honors.
I admire you, Colonel, for being candid. I really admire you for being candid, no? Hindi selective yung inaamin mo. Now, dito sa reward system, ang dami nang nagtatanong ano yung 50 to 100 per day na quota, may 20,000, may galing sa STL. Ito bang pinag-uusapan dito sa affidavit mo na reward system? Is this official? Mayroon bang official na issuance ang PNP sa reward system, Mr. Chair?
Sa reward system, Your Honors, hindi yun ma-indicate doon kasi parang kuan lang yun, parang ibigay lang yun kung may ganun ang mga pangyari, Your Honors. Pero yung quota, lahat naman instructed ang mga chief of police na lahat ng nasa list na ibinigay pababa parang taas na knock-and-play ninyo para mapagbigyan din ng pagkataon yung mga nasa list na mag-surrender.
Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, wala talagang official issuance yung PNP regarding sa pinag-uusapang reward system. Parang tradisyon lang or verbal order lang. Parang ganun po ba yun, Mr. Chair?
Verbal lang, Your Honor. But in my station, Mayor Paruhinog declaring talaga na pag makahuli
Intelligence Fund sa PNP. Alam mo ba yon?
Alam ko, Your Honors.
So, as Chief of Police na na-assign sa different areas, nakagamit ka ba ng intelligence fund doon sa mga operations ninyo? Bakit, in my case, no, I have a personal experience na yung Chief of Police ay humihingi ng gasolina dahil kinulang sila ng budget. Nagsosolicit ng computer set dahil wala silang ano. So, going back to my question, naranasan mo ba na may na-release sa'yo na or may naibigay na intelligence fund doon sa mga operasyon? Kasi inuutosan ka na manghuli.
Your Honors, wala.
So, Mr. Chair, it is very clear na kailangan siguro nating busisiin yung intelligence fund doon sa budget ng mga different government agencies, particularly PNP. Saan ginamit yon? Bakit nanggagaling na sa STL, kung kani-kanino, yung mga ginagawang, yung mga binibigay na reward? Because with this kind of practice ay hindi talaga natin masiwata kasi may nagbibigay. Baka yung nagbibigay ay involved din. So, finally, Mr. Chair, although marami akong sanang katanungan, but I would like to yield to the other members. Medyo nakakabahala po yung paragraph 34, no? Na sinabi dito ni Colonel Espinido na from my experience, I can see that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country. Mr. Chair, if you will allow, can I ask kung sino yung alam ko kasi we have invited here some PNP officials. Kung sino yung pinakamataas na PNP officials na nandito, pwede, can I ask a comment from the PNP officials? No, this representation would like to ask, no, that top-ranking PNP officials who are present in this committee hearing, ano po yung masasabi niya doon sa paragraph 34 nung sinabi ni Colonel Espinido, an active member of the PNP, na ang pinaka biggest crime group in this country is yung PNP. If the chair would allow na tanungin natin yung pinakamataas na high-ranking of PNP na nandito.
May I know who is the highest ranking PNP officer present in the committee hearing today? Who is the highest ranking, Comsec, who is the highest ranking PNP officer present in this committee hearing?
Sir, we have General Karamat.
May we ask General Karamat to reply to the question of Congressman Dagoop? General Karamat, you're recognized. Kindly reply to the query of Congressman Dagoop.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. Come again with the question, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Congressman Dagoop, can you please repeat the question?
Mr. Chair, under paragraph 34 of the affidavit of Colonel Espinedo, sinabi niya na base sa kanyang experience, ang pinaka-biggest crime syndicate sa bansang ito ay ang PNP organization mismo. Ang tinatanong ng representasyong ito, ano po ang masasabi ni General Karamat doon sa nasabi na statement sa affidavit ni Colonel Espinedo, no, an active PNP personnel at present?
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Colonel Espinedo.
Okay, last question, please.
Ang ibig mo bang sabihin na Colonel Espinedo, nung sinabi mo yung paragraph 4 na biggest syndicate, is this only in as far as drug war is concerned o yung overall operation ng crimes, yung solving of crimes, law enforcement, or ang tinutukoy mo ay big crime syndicate is just only for drug war?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yung drug war, pero quote-unquote, Your Honors, the PNP itself is maganda na yung police natin, yung institusyon ng PNP. But the member of the PNP, I was one na member na biktima ng